Hello little cuties, welcome to our channel Kidz Shy TV. Today we will learn bird's name. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. So beautiful, right? Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Macaw. M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. So colorful. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D. Wood. P-E-C-K-E-R. Pecker. Woodpecker. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Bulbul. B-U-L. Bull. B-U-L. Bulbul. Thanks for watching, little cutie. See you soon. Bye.